taguanan kong Christmas of New Year, laban na daghan mo pinugos diha, mga ninang og ninong, diri mo panago kay di mo makontak sa inyong pinugos. Dira mga balaka o gisundan mo diriya, nag-check-in po sila niya tapat pag book rooms. Ang ending, kamoy gipabayad. Kaya, sumbay mo nung time sunod ay ito. So this resort is 75 hectares, 60 hectares is already developed, and the 15 is the forest area. So the owner of this resort was privately owned by the Ayala family, which is only here in Davao lang po. They are not related to the Ayala family in Manila, which is the Manila Zobel Ayala. Here in Davao is a GBA company, which is Jesus B. Ayala Company. So they're the same like person, but they are not related o kalaban gihapon sila sa negosyo. Ayan, basta matingala mo. And our ka-adventure, yung mga rides namin is located outside the resort. Sa bigla siya nga area. So we have there our